How to fix OBS Studio lag or stuttering issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into the problem where you are facing on OBS Studio. So I've got OBS Studio open right over here, which I'm currently using to record this exact video as well. Once you have your OBS Studio open, there are a few settings that you need to change. Whether you are streaming or just recording your screen, you need to go over to the Files option at the top left and then find the Settings menu. Once you get to the settings here, you want to first change your output settings. So go over to Output and then you need to go to Streaming. Since I'm currently recording the video, I'm not able to change any of these settings. The OBS is currently running, but if you are not recording anything, you should be able to change all of these settings first. So on the audio or video encoder, if you have a graphics card, make sure that you select your graphics card from this, or if you just want to use your CPU, that's fine as well. Then you need to make sure that the rate control is always selected to CBR, and you can change your bitrate according to your internet speed. For that, all you have to do is go to your web browser and then go over to this website, speedtest.net, and hit enter. Now, once you do that here, you should be able to get to this website to test your internet speed. Now, once you do that, you can just click on OK. And once you're on this website, just go ahead and click on Go. And you need to test your internet speed. It doesn't matter if you have the download speed. You just need to check for your upload speed over here. So wait for the download speed to complete. It will check your download speed first. Then you need to go over to your upload speed and you need to check. So if your upload speed is greater than 10 megabytes per second, then you can just go to your OBS and go over to your settings and change your bitrate value. So let's go over to output again, and on the bitrate value, you can change it to 3500. Now, if you have it less than 10 megabytes per second, then you need to decrease it accordingly as well. On the keyframe interval, you need to tap on it and then type in 2 seconds. Now, on CPU usage, I've set this very fast because I don't have a GPU on my laptop, so everything happens when in the CPU. But if you have a GPU, then you can use it accordingly. Now, once that is done, you need to go over to your recording settings. As I just said, since I am recording using OBS currently, I'm not able to change these settings. But if you are here, you need to do the same settings for these. So you want to change the video encoder, and if you have a graphics card, you need to select that. Scroll down here, do the same thing for your encoder settings as well. So currently, the rate control should be selected to CBR, and you just need to change it here as well. So since we have checked our internet speed, we can just do 3500 kbps. And on the key interval, you just need to do 2 seconds. So let's just do 2 over here and leave everything as it is. Now just click on apply and then OK. And you should be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.